It's saying right now it's 27 miles an hour out
Oh,
there,
that's a
but I
lot.
think it's even more.
Yeah, it just, at some point, I almost knocked over. So we're going to try again tomorrow because it's promising. It seems like there's lots of things out there. Today, we return to Henderson Bird Viewing Reserve in Clark County, Nevada. As you can see, the weather is really nice. According to Google Maps, it has 9 ponds and about 140 acres of land and about 4 miles of walking paths. These are alive bees.
Yeah, there's a pipe that goes through the wall, so they have access to the outside. They go in and out.
Oh my God! The bees use the bottom 2 cases as a nursery and the top 2 cases for storing honey. Over the winter, they used all their honey. Now they start making and saving honey for the next winter. After spending more than half an hour staring at the beehive, we are going outside through that door. A group of yellow-headed blackbirds captures our attention and excitement completely. This is the first time we see yellow-headed blackbirds. They are so beautiful. The males stand out with black and yellow feathers and a patch of white feathers on the wings. The females, on the other hand, are not black at all. She is brown with some yellow on her chest.
Oh, Mom, that was trying to do a mating dance.
Where?
You missed them. He jumped into the bush. He could fit his head in. A poor guy. You sound funny.
Is he gonna dance or something? Beautiful.
I think a way of attracting a female is by calling different names.
Oh, really? So that's what he's
Different
doing?
sounds they mimic, maybe?
Yeah.
The bowerbird. He brings out different songs in order to attract the female. By giving out different calling, different sounds.
Along the path, we see lots of yellow rump warblers searching for food in the bushes. A group of ducks searching for food in the middle of a pond. There's something about what they are doing that we wish we know, rather than just saying that they are hunting. Unfortunately, we couldn't figure it out. Thus, we move on. Nevada is known as the most arid state in the country. Standing here, looking at this bushy green, wetlands like, it's hard to believe we are in the middle of a desert. Randomly, the ducks fly up into the air like they are migrating birds, just to land back onto the water to sleep or search for food. A group of quails crossing the path in front of us. They are so cute. We also see a roadrunner. As we continue walking, we notice weave nests. Next, we are so excited that we see another bird that we have not seen before, the verdants. Here, we capture a very interesting behavior. A verdant collecting silk from a caterpillar cocoon and wrapped it around a branch. Later, he passes it over to a female, and she carries it away, probably to their nest. Conclusion. Henderson Bird Viewing Reserve is located on the eastern edge of the Pacific Migratory Flyway. It is home to thousands of migratory water birds as well as numerous resident desert birds. Whether you are a birder or a natural enthusiast, this is a perfect place to visit if you are nearby.